Hi, girls and boys. It's Buster again. It's a beautiful spring day and I'm outside. You're going to be outside soon and you might see an adorable dog like me and you might want to pet it. First, do not run up to a dog. That's very scary for us dogs. Then, always ask the owner if you can pet their dog. And let the dog smell your hand a little bit. Ask the owner where he likes to be petted. Then you can pet the dog if you feel comfortable. Remember, not all dogs are calm and friendly like me. That reminds me of a poem, My Neighbor's Dog is Purple, by Jack Preletsky from his book, The New Kid on the Block, published by Scholastic. It goes like this. My neighbor's dog is purple. My neighbor's dog is purple. Its eyes are large and green. Its tail is almost endless, the longest I have seen. My neighbor's dog is quiet. It does not bark one bit. But when my neighbor's dog is near, I feel afraid of it. My neighbor's dog looks nasty. It has a wicked smile. Before my neighbor painted it, it was a crocodile. So remember, boys and girls, my dog safety tips and keep reading. I miss you, girls and boys. Bye.